Hello friends, I am Manish Singh. This is my first video on YouTube. In this video, I am going to show you Diwali with Quick Labs program. It is 4 days free program for all students, college students or graduate students. This program is open to all and this program is free. There is no charge for this program. This is free program. And conduction of this program is in between 13th to 16th November 2020. This is limited time offer valid till Diwali only. This is 4 days program conducted by Quick Labs, which is Google Cloud platform. You can practice hands-on experience of Google Cloud training on Quick Labs program. Quick Labs is one of the Google Cloud platforms. As you can see that many programs that 30 days of Google Cloud and different program are organized in the Quick Labs like 15 days October challenge and many programs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enroll in this Quick Labs program, and after that you will get goodies like that. You will see that goodies like bottle, t-shirt, notebook, sandals, etc. This Quick Labs program is free for all users. Firstly, we talk about Quick Labs program, and after that I will show you how to enroll in this. Firstly, in this they will show you complete the 4 skill badges below and share on social with Quick Labs Diwali to get an exclusive voucher to the Quick Labs Perk store. You can see that this Google merchandise store, this is the Google Perk store, and after that you have a voucher code, so you can eligible for perks from Google. So friends, this is very simple step to enroll in this. This is official blog for on Medium, which is provided by Google to ensure that how to enroll in this program, Diwali in the cloud. So firstly, we need to enroll here in this link, so we can check out of this code. So firstly, we understand the process. After that, I will show you the next process. Firstly, enroll here. Complete all 4 quests by Diwali, during Diwali by 16th November 2020. You need to complete 4 trainings before 17th November 2020. On 16th November, you will complete all the labs. Use the hashtag Google Cloud Badge and Quick Labs Diwali to share your Google Cloud credential with your network. Means if you can share this hashtag with if I had completed this program, and if you share on LinkedIn, you are available for the vouchers, and after that, after receiving your voucher, you can be available for the prizes, and prizes are out on 20th November 2020. You can see that firstly we will open this URL in incognito mode. So firstly here we will open the URL in incognito mode, as you can see that, and after that copy that code from here, Diwali 2020, copy that code and open any one of the lab in new tab. Something like I just want to start this lab day 1. So firstly I started that lab and enter the code Diwali 2020 and just verify the CAPTCHA. So after verifying the CAPTCHA, friends, I got a submit button, and I will be just signing in the Quick Labs platform. You can see that. So friends, as you can see that after that signing in the, so you can read the message. We give you temporary credential to Google Cloud platform, so you can learn the cloud using the real thing, no simulation. Means friends, firstly understand this step. Whenever we open this link and paste this code, so we will get 9 credits. Means we will get 9 credits. As you can see that in my account there is 9 credits, and it is on 13th November 1:08 PM, and 9 credits, you can see that. So it will be expire on my 13/2021, so it's not matters. But after that, what is the process? So you can see that firstly you need to open this URL in incognito mode, then copy the code Diwali 2020. After that, start any one of the labs from 4 labs and paste the code and submit the code. After, you will get 9 credits. After 9 credit, go to catalog section, select the quest of your choice and click on one lab from the quest. Means go to catalog section. This is the catalog section. You can see that in screen. This is the catalog section, or this is the catalog section. Means we need to complete one of the training, or something. I just started Google Cloud Essential. So firstly I enroll in this quest. So after enroll in this quest, you can see that I just wanted to complete this lab. After that, I will be eligible for 1 month advantage subscription. You can see that. Click on the end lab button after completion of the lab. Check the credit and subscription section and you will see 1 month free subscription. So here is the basic steps to enroll in this program. Firstly, you need to open the URL in incognito mode. After that, select any one of the lab and paste the code Diwali 2020. After that, you will see 9 credits in your account. After that, go to catalog section, select quest of your choice and complete one of the lab. After that, you will see 1 advantage subscription and complete the quest, earn an skill badge and a bonus. You also get another 1 month of subscription of Quick Labs absolutely free. Friends, here 2 months of Quick Labs subscription are totally free. As you can see that they will write that firstly they will give you 1 month advantage subscription plus 1 month bonus subscription. So it is easy to use the 1 month plus 2 month subscription of Google Cloud, and you can easily hands-on practice on Google Cloud training. So it is basically steps. If you complete all 4 feature quests, you need to complete all the 4. Means this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 labs, and you need to complete in between 13th to 16th November. So friends, after that you will complete it by 16th November. After that, you will get 20th November after completion of this all lab. And if you want all labs completed, so you will get 20th November. By 20th November, you will get a voucher code. After that voucher code, paste the voucher code in this and enter. You will be eligible for the perks like this. You can see that this is the take home one of this existing goodies. So these are the goodies that are provided by the Google, and 1 month plus advantage, 1 month subscription of Quick Labs, means a 2 month subscription of Quick Labs. These are the frequently asked questions that are very useful. Means friends, if you have already completed all the 4 skills badges of Google Quest, can you still get the free voucher? Congratulations on earning, while those who have already completed this quest are not eligible for perk store codes. Means friends, in this, if you already done the 4 labs previously, so you are not eligible in the program or perk store code. You can still participate with the free access to Quick Labs and stay tuned for the next challenge. Friends, there is also one point that I have already earned one of 3 badges. Means you can you already complete 1, 2, 3 lab and you cannot complete this 4th lab. So if you are eligible for perk store, yes, redeem the code and complete the remaining badge to be eligible. Means you are eligible, there is no doubt. When you will receive your voucher, friends, your voucher will be distributed on Friday 20th November 2020. After that, receiving by voucher, you can go to Google Merchandise Store and you are eligible for the perks. Am I eligible for the goodies mentioned above after completing the mentioned skill badge? Each eligible participant will receive only 1 voucher code which can be redeemed for only 1 single item present in the Quick Labs perk store. This means friends, if you are completed all the labs, you have get only 1 voucher code, and after that you will only redeem a single item present in the Quick Labs perk store. So there is no confusion at all. If your account is blocked, means Quick Labs account is blocked, so you can contact on support@quicklabs.com for your queries. What's Diwali? So friends, in 2018 Google Doodle has also conducted this program, so it is again. So this is the basic program of Google Quick Labs Diwali with Quick Labs program. It is 4 days program and it is totally free. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. To know about more videos, if you have any doubt in this video, you can ask in comment section or DM me for on my email ID. So it is basically 4 days program and it is open for all students from any colleges or any branches. This program is in between 13 to 16 November. In order to receive your voucher code, please ensure that you will completed all the labs before 17th November 2020. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. To know more about this program, you can visit official blog. There are some videos I uploaded on certification courses. This is my first video. Every day I will upload new videos on certification courses. So if you have any doubt, you can contact me or you can ask in comment section. Thank you friends.